Greetings, one and all. Welcome to Auto 200 Automotive Service Advising. I'm your instructor. My name is Marty Supple. I've been in automotive pretty much all of my adult life. I owned a business for a number of years and then I bought another business. So my stretch was 20 years of my life. I love automotive. Anyway, I'm still in it since I'm teaching it. But I find it very fascinating. It's very interesting. It's an adrenaline rush. So if you like the idea of excitement, making money, dealing with some wonderful people, some great cars, this is the business to be in. So let's look at what we're going to do and what we're going to learn. So first off, there'll be skills as far as learning how to speak with people, how to communicate effectively in writing, and of course, when you actually call them up on the phone, or you text them, or you email them. And certainly, there's a binding contract known as the RO or repair order, some places call it a work order. And then in doing so, you got to remember that you put down what has taken place in that shop from beginning to end. And there may be a lot of people that give you that input. For example, you're going to write down what the customer is requesting. You're going to go ahead and figure that out by communicating effectively with the technician exactly what the customer needs. And then you'll have the techs working on the vehicle. You'll have the parts department giving you parts. And then once the vehicle is fixed, you'll have to go ahead and communicate with the customer. Also understand that if there's a diagnosis to take place, you're also going to have to call the customer and explain what's going on, the increase in cost, and whether or not they want to do it. So we will learn about how to take it from beginning to end. That is the goal, from when they pull onto the lot to when they leave the lot, and everywhere in between. And you're going to learn those skills. It'll be a lot of fun. You should be able to immediately, after you're taking this class, apply it some places and start. I mean, I would say honestly that once you started this business, and if you like it and they like you have that skill set that they desire, you'll make a lot of money. So let's get started. Any questions you have, always feel free to contact me. And let's have a great time over these next few weeks. Thank you ever so much, and let's get started.